Hi, today I'm gonna talk about Orbit app, an app that really useful for travelers, and I have some questions, also answers beside it. And after this, I hope that you can know more about Orbit app and can see that it's really helpful for you when you're traveling. Let's begin. So, the first question is, when compared to traditional desktop customers, why are mobile phone users much more likely to book a room or airline reservation for the same day? The answer is mobile phone users are much more likely to book a room or airline reservation for the same day simply because of the convenience of it. First of all, when you look at the Orbitz app, it will find your location and then show you the closest hotels with addresses and phone numbers, also the availability, prices, and anything that you need to know. Mobile users, especially business travelers, often have no desktop or rarely use it because they are traveling on the road. Their travel plans change frequently and require the ability to change flights and reservation on the same day as they are traveling. Moreover, most of the e-commerce websites do not refund your deposit payment if you cancel the reservation. Therefore, if you can book a room or airline service as for the same day, you can be sure that you can make it without wasting the payment. The next question: in the mobile design project of 2011, why did Orbit management decide to construct a mobile website for corporate users rather than the native app? Here's the answer. Orbit decided to construct a mobile website for corporate users because they knew that this was a profitable market. These corporate people were already carrying smartphones and traveling a lot. They also make their site more interesting by offering last-minute promotions. Orbit decided that corporate users preferred using a mobile web app rather than a native app, also because they felt that the mobile website was more beneficial. Management wanted a single mobile website rather than several mobile native apps for different mobile phones, which could be used by any mobile browser regardless of its operating system or manufacturer. Third question: why has Orbit decided to go with native apps for each mobile platform instead of a single mobile website as it did with the Orbit for Business mobile site? For instance, like iOS, Android, and Kindle Fire. So, as is already said in the case study, this is the heart of the redesign to eliminate the mobile website and consolidate the entire search and reservations process within the native app so that users would no longer experience descriptive and time-consuming redirects either to Orbit's mobile site or to an airline, hotel, or car rental agency site to complete the booking. Furthermore, different apps based on different mobile operating systems create a uniqueness in the apps and easier to operate. By using native apps for each mobile platform, customers will have better experience as these apps has more user. By using native apps for each mobile platform, customers will have better experiences as these apps are more friendlier, easier, and faster. Also, Orbit built native apps for each mobile platform so that the experiences were personalized to the platform. For instance, on iPhone operating system, there is a specific function on Safari that can now be utilized in the Orbit app. By having an app instead of just a site, Orbit become personal to the user and their mobile platform. Native apps are much faster than traditional HTML code and probably faster than HTML5, which requires a rendering engine to construct mobile web pages. The native app can perform all the functions of an HTML5 or desktop version of the reservation system, but execute much faster. To the last question, what issues does syncing recent user searches across devices pose? Here's the answer. Privacy is one of the primary issues posed by Orbit's ability to sync recent user searches across devices, with customers often switching between desktop and mobile devices as they plan travel. Orbit has also taken steps to cater to that behavior. Orbit is rolling out a responsive design approach crossing devices and has started syncing user searches across devices so that user can pick up where they left off no matter what device they are using. For example, you are doing a search home on your iPad, your iPhones, laptops, any devices that can access to the internet. You go on the Orbit's desktop in the next day, and you still can see the searches that you did yesterday. When users sync a device with the computer, the latest information will be modified and updated in both devices. Also, syncing program can remove the entries that have been deleted on either the device. In other words, synchronize allows the same information in different devices so that user can easily share the travel information with others. This program is usually to be done by connecting the device to your desktop via Bluetooth, USB cable, as well as email login. And that's all the questions also answered for Orbit app. Thank you for listening.